Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform to create a Stripe order form. This is an incredibly useful skill if you're running an online business and need a simple way to collect payments directly through your forms without building a complex checkout system. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your form building magic happens. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it to begin the process of building your new form. This button is your gateway to all the different types of forms and templates Jotform offers. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Form. This will take you to another screen where you can choose how you want to start building. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. Starting from scratch gives you full control over every element you add, which is perfect for creating a custom order form. Now you're in the Form Builder interface. On the left panel, you'll see an option called Add Element. Click on it to reveal all the different fields you can add to your form. From the Basic tab, select Email. This will insert an email field into your form, allowing customers to provide their contact information when placing an order. Next, it's time to integrate Stripe for payment processing. In the left sidebar, click on Payments. This section contains all the payment-related widgets Jotform supports. Look for the Stripe option and drag it directly into your form. This widget is what enables your form to securely accept credit card payments. Once you've added the Stripe widget, you'll need to connect it to your Stripe account. Click on Connect Stripe within the Stripe widget. A prompt will appear asking you to accept the terms and authorize the connection with your Stripe account. Keep in mind you'll need an active Stripe account to complete this step. Follow the authorization process in the Payment Connection panel on the right side of the screen. This step ensures that all payments collected through your form are routed directly to your Stripe account. Now that Stripe is connected, it's time to add the products you want to sell. Click the Product List button within the Stripe widget, then click plus Add Product. This opens a form where you can enter all the details about your product. Type in the product name, for example, tablet, then enter the price, a brief description, and upload an image by clicking Choose Images. Adding an image makes your form more visually appealing and helps customers see exactly what they're purchasing. Before you finalize and publish your form, it's important to test everything to make sure it works correctly. Click the Preview Form button, which is represented by an eye icon in the top bar. This opens a live preview of your form. Go ahead and fill in the name and email fields, select the product you just added, and enter test card details. Stripe provides test card numbers you can use for this purpose. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit to complete the test transaction. And that's it. You've successfully created a fully functional Stripe order form using Jotform that can accept real payments from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.